Ladies and gentlemen, this tutorial is scheduled for one fall. Introducing to you the broke beauty guru, the ring queen, Lexa Rose. Welcome back to another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. It is I'm not going to repeat my name. You guys should already know. Lexa Rose, the ring queen. Anyways, we're just going to be throwing on a simple look today. It is Friday. It is a good day. It's a fun day. It is Fun Day Friday, and we are just going to go, have fun today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by priming my face, and we're going to go right into our professional primer, which is, sis, she's done. We're just going to stick this right on the pores, because I have serious pores, like serious pores. It's not my fault, it's just how I was born. So we're just gonna put this all over the face. This is probably gonna end up going on YouTube. Don't expect it on Instagram TV. Although there'll be probably like a little quickie preview for you guys. So you guys can see it there. But I would suggest hitting up the YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now that we've got our eyebrows done, we're just going to hit up our Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. We're just going to go for a simple, not too crazy glam. And we're just going to hit up, I'm trying to look for my fluffy blending brush. We're going to use this brush by B&H Cosmetics. Sorry if they look a little janky. They're really not. It's just the paint is chipping off on them, as you can tell. Because I wash my brushes. So this is the result of washing your brushes a lot. I'm very clean when it comes to my brushes. So we're going to get started and we're going to hit up these red colors and we're just going to pack that on the crease. Okay, next we're going to grab a fluffy blending brush and we're going to hit up this brown. And we're gonna just blend all this out. Okay, so now that we got that blended out, we're just gonna hit up this dark black and this dark brown, and we're just gonna put that on the inner and outer corners. Okay, you see the issue I have with the fucking sun? Anyways, we are almost done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up this gold color and we're gonna put that right in the middle. Christ. Okay, next we're gonna go back into that black and that brown color and we're just gonna put it right back in here to kind of diffuse the sharp edges. Okay, so we're gonna go back into our fluffy blending brush. Let me stand over here where you can see my face. And we're gonna hit up that brown color again, and we're just gonna blend everything together. Okay, so for highlight, we're gonna hit up this light kind of peachy, I guess you could say. And we're just going to put that right in the inner corners and on the brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. And we're just going to do the liner and then we'll start on the face. You know damn well when you do a winged liner, a really good even liner, not too thick, not too thin, just right, flick, you know you're gonna have a fucking wonderful day. Ooh. Let's get started with the face. So for our face, we're gonna go into our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 250, and we're gonna use our B&H face brush. I'm thoroughly convinced this is probably not, but it looks to me, and I've seen a lot of gurus use a brush similar to this, so I'm just gonna put a couple of pumps and throw it all over the face. And yes, I'm well aware it looks a little yellowish on my face, but once it all blends together, mamita. Okay, for contour, we're going to go with our Tarte Shape Tape concealers in Tan Sand and Fair Neutral. And, of course, we're going to just do the normal, like, patterns. Yes, I took the little thingy out of this one because I was running low. All right, so now we grab a brush and we blend. All right, now the next step is to set it and forget it, and we're gonna go right into our airspun powder and just kind of throw a little bit on the cap and then just set everything. And we're gonna use this, I think it's a blush brush or a contour brush. I use it as my setting brush. That's what's wonderful about makeup. You could use brushes to do anything. Don't let nobody stop you, like Bob Ross. There's no such thing as accidents. Happy accidents. Okay, so now that I'm contoured, I'm obviously getting rid of the bake. I don't OD bake or anything like that, because there's no point. I just bake. We can bake. So we're gonna get rid of all this. Now that we got all that done, we're gonna go right into our blush. And we've got our NYX Ombre Blush, aka Fard Ombre. And Sweet Springs. We're just gonna take a little dab and roll the upper cheeks. Que delicada. That was my high F. Watch out, Mariah and Ariana. I know y'all quaking. Like, bitch can do high C's and body slam me? I'm out. No, I'm kidding. No, I would never, ever. I love Ariana. Love her. Mariah, I'm an old school girl, so of course I do have my love for Miss Carrie. But is it me or does my nose look already highlighted? Like, damn, son. Anyways, let's keep going. Let's not let ourselves get distracted. You know, we just do these happy little accidents. You know, just cover it up with a little blush. All right, so we're going to go right back into our Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to hit up this red, and we're going to just do that. And we're just going to smoke at the bottom line. We're just going to do that. It's Friday. Forgive me. Okay, so now we're gonna put on our setting spray and set all of this, and you're probably looking at me like, bitch, what are you doing? I'm Puerto Rican, which means I have a mix of Caucasian, Hispanic, and African roots. As a result, if my hair gets even, just sensing this around my hair, there's going to be an afro underneath this hoodie. But we're going to go in with our Morphe Continuing Setting Mist, and we're just going to set this. Only because I tend to go overboard. Now for highlight, we're going to go into this Illuminati shape thing. And we're going to take that brush that we used to put the highlights on before, and we're just going to dip right into Opal. And bam. Inner corner, brow bone. Madre Santísima, I can't. It's Friday, people. It's Friday. I'll be right back. I can't. Okay, so now that we've got everything else done and my hair didn't poof up like a cotton ball and stuff, we're gonna stick mascara on, and this is the Tarte Ready Camera Lashes. I don't know, I use it a lot, so I can't see what's on here, but you could tell from the packaging what it is, right? Right? Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream and the lip liner, both in Copenhagen. I've actually kind of warmed up to dark colors on my lips, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm going to put Jeffree Star's Sagittarius. This is the Velour Liquid Lipstick. This is my favorite shade, and I'm not really into like mauve purple shades, but like it was called Sagittarius, and I'm a Sagittarius, so I bought it. And when I put it on, I was thoroughly happy with how it actually looked on me. So this is one of my go-tos. So we're going to put this right in the middle. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. I don't have a name for it. This is just like a neutral glam that I decided to just throw together. Only because I know that being here at my job, filming these, some parents like to come in like literally 8 o'clock on the dot, sometimes like 7:55 and stuff. And it's become like, you know, really hard for me to like do a really nice look, so I'm going to save those for like weekends that I'm off and I don't have wrestling shows. But this is a nice little burgundy glam that I did and I threw together, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys like this content, please subscribe, press the notifications, follow me on Instagram. My information is going to be right here. Ring Queen Lexa Rose, hashtag Wrestling with Beauty, hashtag Broke Beauty Guru, because I am a broke ass joke. Okay, but again, thank you again for coming back and watching my video and enjoying this look. Like I said, subscribe, follow, you get the gist. I also do fun TikToks and stuff like that, so definitely follow me on Instagram because I put up a lot of funny content and also wrestling content and stuff like that. So with that being said, catch me at my next show, which I don't know what it is, but I know it's definitely an Apex show. So this is Lexa Rose, the Broke Beauty Guru, and I am out of here. Bye, guys.